Hello friends, welcome. So today I'm going to talk about what kind of homemade fertilizers you can use to grow your money plant. So this is my money plant and I have planted two kinds of pothos in one planter. So one is marble pothos and one is green pothos. And I would be telling you two homemade fertilizers which I have used to grow my pothos. And in 2 months I have grown this pothos and it was quite small as you can see, and in 2 months with the help of homemade fertilizers it has grown big and it is growing very well. Before telling you about the homemade fertilizer, I will tell you about one more important thing, that is the position of pothos. Yes, so where do you keep your pothos? So you could see that I have kept my pothos near a window. So near this window it gets lot of bright light throughout the day and lot of indirect sunlight. So make sure in your house wherever you have kept your money plant or pothos, it gets lot of indirect sunlight or a very good amount of bright light. So the bright light is very important for pothos. That is the number one tip which you should follow if you want to grow a healthy pothos. So the first homemade fertilizer which I use is tea leaf decoction. Yes, tea leaf decoction has lot of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and tannic acid. Nitrogen is very essential for foliage plants because it boosts the stem growth, the leaf growth and overall growth of the plants. Apart from that, the tannic acid present in the tea leaves, it increases a sort of microbes which in turn increases the nutrition in the soil. So in short, nitrogen and tannic acid acts as wonders for the money plant. So what I do is I take 1 tablespoon of tea leaves and I boil it in like half a liter of water and give it to my plants in every 10 to 15 days, and it is actually giving me a very healthy growth to my money plant and it is really beneficial for money plants. So you could also give this tea leaf decoction in an interval of 10 to 15 days to your plants. So the second homemade fertilizer which I prepare for my money plant is from onion peels. Yes, so onion peels again have lot of benefits. They have lot of nitrogen, they have lot of manganese, they have lot of phosphorus and it is very beneficial for your plants. Especially it is very beneficial for the plants which have lot of leaves or foliage plants. So you could also give onion peel water to your money plant or other foliage plants also. So to prepare this onion peel water, what I do is I take a handful of onions and I just soak them in water for like overnight or 24 hours, and then my onion peel water is ready. I will just strain this water and the water is ready to give it to my plants. So I don't spray it over the plants, I give it to the soil, and which increases the nutrition value of the soil. So you can just give this fertilizer also in an interval of 10 to 15 days. So I give it in an interval of 10 days. You could choose between 10 to 15 days and you could decide the quantity of this fertilizer based on the plant size. So I have shown you like I give around 100 to 200 ml of this water to the plants. Now let's talk about how should we water the money plant. Yes, so if you have kept your money plant in soil, you should avoid overwatering your money plant because overwatering causes yellow leaves and they eventually die. So you should only water the money plant when the topmost layer of the soil is dry, or you can also water it in an interval of 3 to 4 days, but make sure that whatever water you are putting in the money plant, it doesn't cause the clogging of the water there and it doesn't make the soil too much loamy. Then your money plant catches bacterial infection and it dies. So apart from these two homemade fertilizers, I also tried using milk as an fertilizer for money plant, but that idea was not so great for me because it attracted a lot of insects and ants to my money plant, which caused a lot of problem. But these two homemade fertilizers worked wonders for my money plant and it grew very fast. So you could see the pictures 2 months back and now. So I would also like you to try these two homemade fertilizers, and you can also try milk if it is fine for you. So please subscribe to my channel and please share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you.